Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to Settings. After that, you click on Apps, Default Apps App Settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will search about it here. As you see, here in this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to Storage. After that, we click Clear Cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.